Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Bethany, one busy mama. So if you're not subscribed already, we do a lot of fun things. And right now we have, not mega, big unboxing. So let's get into it. My assistant there has done his job. So this is the part 2, guys. If you've seen part 1, thank you. If you haven't, I'll leave it up there in the card so you can go enjoy it. We do a lot of unboxings here. So anything from lifestyle to beauty to skincare to clothing hauls. Why not? And then this one is Walmart Beauty Box. You can see it says Spring 2022. Also, I have a crystal kind of spiritual box up on the channel right now. It's called Mindful Souls. Please go check that out if you're into other things or if you want a gift idea. A lot of the stuff that I have, you can buy as gifts. A lot of the stuff is found online because if I went out and shopped, it would be worse. So, and we do a lot of giveaways. Also, if you're interested in becoming a member, I know I'm like all over the place, check that out as well. There's a join button down below or a link in my description and you can check it out and see if it's worth it to you because we do a lot of extra giveaways. All right, so Walmart Beauty Box right here. My assistant, okay. All right. Thank you, sir. All right, so Beauty for All, a little pamphlet from Walmart. This is how it looks. And they'll tell you what's inside and they give you prices, which I really like when companies actually tell you what you're getting and what's inside. So let's jump right into it. Ooh, looks like we got some good stuff. Wow. Okay, let's check out these ones right here. I seen these at Target, but Walmart is a little bit cheaper than Target. But I say 5% at Target, so you can't beat that. Monday. These are shampoo brand. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. They look like little tablets or something. All right, so smooth, oh, shampoo, this is good. I'm for frizzy and dull hair, paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free, and this is 50 mLs, and it has this little, oh, it's taped, super secure, oh my gosh. So let me just tell you how much it costs. So the full size is $6.97, that's not bad. Not bad for 12 fluid ounces, and this is 1.69. So now that I remove the tape, lightly scented, which is good because if there's a lot of scent, that means there's a lot more chemicals. All right, so this one is also taped. This is your ASMR people. Get this tape. And I like the packaging. But I have seen other colors, so I'm sure they're for other things. But smooth would be great for me. This is travel size. Yeah, same scent. So very cute. I'll put the tape back on just because. Yeah. Okay, let's not spend too much time. So that was $7 for full size. All right. Then we have this, and it's wrapped. It says, "Find your happy place under the starlit sky." This is hand sanitizer, and it's in chamomile and sandalwood, both, which I really like. So this is how many ounces? 2 fluid ounces, and this is full size. It'd be $3.97. Ooh, that smells very nice. Very nice. We're gonna put it back in the bag. It's like a light lavender. I don't really smell the chamomile, but okay. This Kiss Impress Press-On Manicure, full size, again, $6.97. So we got 2 full-size products. And these are really pretty. Really pretty. My daughter will love that. And my other favorite item is Liquid IV. So this is just 1 sample size, but it is a full size because you put it in your bottle. And this is hydrating faster. So this replaces a few bottles of water, if I'm not mistaken. I have gotten this in the Walmart box before, and it's such a good one. This is Golden Cherry as a flavor, non-GMO electrolyte powder. So a 6 count would be $8.98. Good job. Ooh, look at this. This is definitely full size too. So where are we? Lottie London. No, this is Hard Candy Glitterazzi. Where are we? It's not on here. So it's a surprise item. But what is this? So it's a lip duo right here. And this is the shade. It's like a ruby. And then you have the little bullet right there. Looks like it has sparkles. Ooh, very pretty. Crushed Crimson lip duo. Okay, that's pretty, but I won't use that, so I'll put that away. And lastly is Covergirl. This is here. It's Covergirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream Moisturizer. So it's a sample. Full size would be $14.98 for 2 fluid ounces. So this is oil-free, formulated for all skin types. It's vegan, and it's got the bunny. All right, so that was great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I would say really great. Really great, great, great. All right, put that to the side. And then I have a package from Item Beauty. Eye Method Beauty. This is the waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting eyeliner stamp. And it is in this brown shade and 10 millimeters. So we're gonna do a little demo. So I like this. Okay. It's an eyeliner stamp, and I don't have any makeup on, so this is kind of perfect. Oh, there's 2 in here. Well, that's nice. Right wing stamp. Oh, and then a left wing. Okay, so this is my right eye. We'll just do the right eye. And then it has eyeliner. So this is the stamp. Oh, Lord. But it seems like it would go this way. And that's not my right. This is my right. So, let me see. We'll try it anyway. This is my right eye. Oh. Did I do that right? And then we'll use the liner and like connect, maybe. Oh, there we go. There we go. What do you think? Let's do the other one, just for fun. If I can line it up. Oh, okay. That one's gonna look different. Uh-huh. Oh, so you can make it really dramatic. Which one do you like? Thank you, Eye Method Beauty, for sending me this. I will be using it. It takes a little practice. They have instructions there, and I was just winging it. So silly. Okay. And then we have Kokie Cosmetics and Sephora. So let's see what the Kokie Cosmetics is. I ordered, thanks to Yvette, a mystery box and 2 blushes. I do like their concealer. So that's how it was packaged, very nicely. It does give you a packing slip. So the mystery box was $25. It comes like that. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So this is the mystery box because these are the blushes. So I'll show you those. And the blushes were $8 each. Okay, so Micellar cleansing wipes. This is, anybody use these? There's 30 towelettes. That's pretty good. And then there's a duo here. It looks like a lip duo. And this color right here, it is nude. That's nice. I'm sure it's a, yeah, lip liner. And then there's standard packaging, which I like that. This is Kissable Liquid Lip in the color Nuance. So these two go together. Very cool. Ooh, there's a palette. Artist palette. That's pretty. I didn't know they had a palette. Look at that. Nice, nice. Take the little sleeve off. It does have a mirror. You guys can see that. Look at that blue. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna swatch it, but I'm tempted. I've never tried any of their stuff. So if anybody has tried their eyeshadow, let me know. And then one other thing here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. This is liquid eyeshadows. Now, I definitely won't use these at all. They're pretty, but I won't use them. So, ooh, those are pretty. Oh, okay. So you get this emerald green and a gold. That's very lovely. Very, very nice. Okay, so we'll put that back. I'm not really sure about the palette. It's pretty and I want to try it. Totally worth it. Here's one of the blushes and it says it's buildable matte. And this is Cheeky, BL01, Cheeky. So it's a soft radiant blush. I really want to try Milani. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Kind of reminds me of, is it Winky Lux that looks like this? Or a different one? Very pretty. Ooh, and let me show you the other one, which is a little bolder. As you can see, this is muted and this one is bold. Yeah. Yeah, break it. It didn't break. Look at how pretty. Okay, I'm definitely not keeping this one, but it is super, super pretty. Super pretty. So be on the lookout for that. I'll show you both of them. Very pretty. Ooh, this is like Heather from Crazy Beautiful MUA. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Heather. Okay. That's really nice. There's gonna be a giveaway, of course. We're gonna use the word wing. 'Cause I appreciate you guys, you know? There's that. See what we ordered. 4 things. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got the hello bag. What were my samples? I got a bunch of stuff here. This is kind of crazy. Well, my perfume sample fell out. It was Ellis Brooklyn in Super Amber. Ooh, that smells nice. What are the notes? Cedarwood and Vanilla Orchid. Nice. Sample of Brie Ogio. And I just got this in the full size, so I'll put that to the side. And then Makeup Forever. That was one. That's the newest, I believe, that's out there. Ooh. Ooh, I hope that works. This is HD Skin. So, is this the... Yep, this is the foundation. This is in 2Y36. Oh, it's a little pump. Oh my God, super cute. I'm keeping that. Sure. It's a pump. That's awesome. And then I got this combo. This was on clearance, actually. The Fenty was $17. And this is the Lil Bronzer Duo. Oh, and you get this on the back. So it's Sunstalker as the warm bronzer. And then the matchstick is Shimmer. And it's in, I like that it's small, so don't get mad. I think this was cinnamon, no? I swear this was cinnamon, but, oh, it's right here. Good Lord. So, yep. There's Shady Biz and cinnamon, like sin. Gosh, look at how adorable this freaking thing is. So this is Shady Biz. I'm so keeping this. I want the brush. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna swatch because I'm keeping that. Oh, that's soft. Look at that. That is pretty light, but I was afraid. Oh, there you go. There you go. You can kind of see it. I mean, still keep. It didn't want to stay. Still keeping it. And then this is cinnamon. Ooh, let's swatch that. Look at that. Pretty. You can see the bronze there. Okay. I like it. I like it. If they have any more of these duos and you guys see it, let me know. I like mini makeup. I don't like spending money on stuff I'm not going to use. So this was a deal for me. And then I got the Mini Tropic from Natasha Denona. I think that was 12 bucks. $12.50. $12.50. The Hello thing was $8. Okay, so this was $12.50. Bright, bold colors. Even the outer is bright and bold. And it's mini, but it's super, super cute. Not sure if I'm going to keep it. So don't forget to use that keyword. You never know. Bunch of goodies. So take a look. I think I can build that up. I should ask Sonia Nicole because she has the Fenty. All right, let's see what's in the Hello bag. This is totally worth it for $8. So they give you coupons right off the bat for 15% off of anything that's in this bag. So Fab Bump Eraser, I've heard good things, 1 ounce. Then they give you perfume samples. Here's Alien, the purple, very pretty. And then Sephora Collection Clear Brow Gel. That's a pretty good size. And then also Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Wiz. It's a pencil in medium brown. That's a good deal. And then Way Detox Shampoo. Totally why I got it. Now I remember. And then Glow Screen from Supergoop, which is also really good. Terry's Corner says she likes that brand, so I trust you guys. All right, what do you guys think? What was your favorite item out of this whole thing? Shout out to iMethod Beauty for sending me the wing liner. I'm definitely going to use it. And thanks for hanging around for part 2. Appreciate you. I'm gonna give these a try. Oh, and if you haven't seen my Merit Beauty video, there's a link down in the description box for 10% off if you use that code. Thank you so much for your time and watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.